polygon has n sides where n is bigger than 5. So that means the smallest number of sides the polygon can have is 6. The interior angles of the polygon form an arithmetic sequence. The smallest angle of the polygon is 84. Common difference is 4. Work out the sum of the interior angles of the polygon. Show clear algebraic working out. So we've got two topics here. Sum of an arithmetic sequence and angles, interior angles, angles and polygons. So you should be drawing on information you know from those two topics. So let's start with our sequences. So we know the interior angles of the polygon form an arithmetic sequences with the smallest angle being 84. So we know A is 84. Common difference is 4. We don't know what n is, but this is to do with the sum of the interior angles. So we know we might need this formula here. Don't know n, so I'm only going to be able to come out with an expression here. If I put that information into my sum, and even if you just do this bit correctly, you're still picking up some of your marks here, even if you don't know what to do next. So put n over 2, 168, multiply everything in the bracket by 4. (168 minus 4). Multiply everything in the bracket by n over 2. So 164 divided by 2 is 82n. N over 2 times 4n. 4 divided by 2 is 2. N times n is n squared. So I've dealt with my knowledge on arithmetic series. Now let's think, what else do we know about the sum of interior angles of a polygon? Are there any other formulas you know for this? Well, angle sum is the sum of the interior angles. What's the formula for angle sum? N minus 2 times 180. So because they're both finding the sum of the interior angles, we can put them equal to each other. And you can see we have a quadratic equation. Let me expand the brackets. It's a quadratic equation, so let's get it equal to 0, bearing in mind I want a positive n squared term. That's minus 180 from both sides. Divide everything by 2. So you've got options here. You could use the quadratic formula. I have seen how to factorise this. N is 45 or n is 4, but it can't be 4 because n's got to be bigger than 5. So we know number of sides is 45. I want to know the sum of the interior angles of the polygon. So n minus 2 times 180 gives us an answer of 7,740.